Good morning! I'm Jennifer Adams and I'm with Lighthouse Contracting Group, and I am here today at the Post and Beam Renovation in Moultonborough, New Hampshire. I'm joining my brother, Bill, who will be on the video shortly to give you another site visit. It's our third visit today and we're just going to show you some of the upgrades. Come on in!
Right, here we are on the main floor bath. Sheetrock is up and primed. We have the tile floor down, which we'll show you that on the next video. We have a new whisper fan, more CFMs, much quieter than the last one. And we have the floor to ceiling tile shower. And we're getting the glass doors and wall on that as well, coming soon. Alright, so we're coming into the main common area. Again, it's a little messy right now. We've got all of our cabinetry laid out for the kitchen island. We got master bathroom and the main floor vanity. And we have all this wonderful hardwood flooring that'll be going into the pantry. The kitchen, haven't done much yet here, but I am working on pulling all the countertops right now. It's a good workspace. And then into the pantry, we've got all of our shelving laid out. We're gonna have 4 shelves wrapping all the way around the room. And we'll have the oak wood floor going in and with a sliding glass barn door entry door. And the master bathroom. So we've got a tile down, which you can't see. We have our tile shower, which will have a glass surround, the 30-inch door. And we have our laundry closet, which will have French doors, half louvered. We have our utilities hooked up and ready to go, propane. And we also have the availability for 220 dryer later down the road.
All right, we're here at the Basin, and before we go in, I just wanted to feature this brand new Pella slider. It's a standard 6 foot. The color is matched to the other windows in the home that were recently changed out. And then you'll notice on the inside when we walk through, it's all natural wood, which will be stained to match the trim in the rest of the house. So come on in, and Bill will pick up where he left off.
All right, we're downstairs here. A lot has changed since the last video. We've got sheetrock up all over. We have walls up. The bar has been framed. Our trade partners have been here doing a lot down here. We've got this fireplace. The utility has been installed. We had to drill 36 inches of chimney to get through on the other side to bring the propane electric in. And we've got our HVAC system. Matt Freer and Sons has been here working on that. It's very toasty down here. Very busy, like I said. Adam from ALLC Mechanical has done a lot of work here. Had to rework a lot of the plumbing. We have heating, drainage, we got all the lines, all of our hot and cold lines. We have new propane throughout. He upgraded the system, so we have a new Wolf stove going in and also a grill attachment so you can hook up your propane outside on the deck without using
a tank.
So we got the HVAC system. It's all installed in here. We have plenty of room and it's nice and compact. This will be air conditioning and heating for the basement. Alright, the mechanical room here. Lots going on as well here. We got Andrew from Lakeshore Electric. He's going to be coming back soon and completely reworking the panel. We've taken a lot out from the basement and also added, and a lot of things upstairs as well. And then come down this way. Adam from ALLC Mechanical installed all this water purification system here. Did a really nice job. Couple nice features there. Through, got some more wires. And also bring you out to the gas line. And Adam did a great job upgrading the gas line for the customer. Thinking for the future, in case their furnace fails, they have an upgraded line that will take care of their whole house.